Hey guys, welcome to the next lesson. Remember. Okay, so tattoos has 7, yes, 7 letters in it. Okay? Look familiar? Yes. The date 2007. The word tattoos has 7 letters. Okay? You can never forget it after today. You can write tattoos on the corner of your test, whatever you have to do. Count the letters right in front of you if you have to. 7, 7. You cannot forget it. Right? Now, don't be tricked on test day, okay? They can give you a scenario and say that there's like a radio run right in front of you. Right in front of you. Right on the corner. Something's happening. Can you respond to it? The answer is no. No, you cannot, unless you are specifically directed by the radio dispatcher. Right? The radio dispatcher is the key to get to that job. All right, so we have some key numbers here to look at. So now we're starting at the rear of the jacket. So NYPD, 3.5, half under. Police, 2 inches high, 1 inch underneath that, or 1 inch from the reflective tape, which is 1 inch, right? So we have some numbers here to look at from top to bottom, and when you write it out, you'll be able to identify that easily, right? We have a half, right? Going to another half, right? We have a 2 here, going to a 2 here, right? And 1 and 1, right? You can start to visualize and just see these numbers. All right, you don't want to go into the CO's office and say, hey, look at this nice plaque that I got. They offered it because I did this and I accepted it. And here's a nice pen set. Like, technically, no, you can't do that. You have to notify the CO prior to accepting the gift. And here's the little trick. It could be one of the things that we've already told you that is you can be offered and accept, right? A plaque, a pen, or a pencil set, right? So don't fall into that trap. Like, these are things you can accept, right? But we still have to notify the CO prior to accepting that gift. We don't want to walk into the CO's office with a goodie bag of all this stuff, and then we're getting reported for, or in trouble for accepting this stuff without getting the prior approval, okay? So you need your CO's approval, okay? So this C here for criticism is allowed, as we already said, right? So you have to be almost subjected to this cursing, obscene language. That's just what it is, right? The courts ruled that in our profession, we will most likely be open to more criticism and obscene language than the average human being walking around, all right? To sum it up. But yes, they can say some nasty things, and I'm sure we all have heard it in our careers, right? But just know that that is allowed. That's not enough for you to just go and confront them and basically get into an OGA arrest situation, okay? So just know that in the safe distance, they're good, right? And criticism is okay. Criticism is okay. Okay, so the P is for pregnant, obviously. P, pregnant. Uniform member of service, right? Okay, we have our 2 and our 0, right? So that would equal our 20th week. All right, here goes our G of gestation. Green or earlier. Okay. Right, so that's how I would remember this on test day. I can just look at that word and that's it. It would mean that whole line to me. Hey guys, welcome to the next lesson.